good afternoon, or hope is everybody as well. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for the birthday wishes. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much appreciated. So welcome to another Sunday lunchtime live by myself and my lovely wife Nikki.
Hello. Sorry, I didn't realise you wanted me to say that.
So today, I know I put in the link that I was going to do a piece of resin, but because I didn't do last week, so I thought what I'd do is I do this week what I should have done last week. Two reasons. The first thing is the resin's messy. I don't really want to get too dirty, and the second thing is I want to actually spend more time concentrating on doing the giveaway than the resin, because the resin takes quite a bit of time. So that's part of the reason. So what I'm going to do is I've got a piece of English walnut here. The blank was about 13.5 inches wide, but I can only get 12 inches on my lathe, so I've had to cut it down a little bit. And we're going to put it on with a faceplate. It's about 2 and a bit inches thick. Just double check it. It's 2 1/4 inches thick. So we'll get it mounted. I'm going to mount it with a faceplate. Just have a swig of my coffee first though. So 21 again. I wish. 21 with
28.
I was going to say with 28 years of experience. So
nearly the big 5.
yeah, that's next year, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom this in, and we'll get this mounted on with a faceplate. And while I'm doing this, my lovely wife will welcome you all in.
Will you stop saying that?
So you see, tissue's all clean now, so we know we've got all the grit off. And that should take us up to 1,000 grit, which is nice.
And you put hashtag bouquet for Nikki.
It's my birthday.
Okay, so don't make birthday.
No, I'm joking.
Don't like
So, as you can see, that's a nice piece of wood, that is. Really nice. Don't know if I look a bit dark on there, or does that look alright? Looks nice. So you can go over that with Yorkshire grit microfine if you wanted to give you a higher grit. Shall we do that? Yeah, why not? Let's see how much better the Yorkshire grit microphone brings it up. Now microphone should take us up to around about a 2000 grit. Rub it in first. And as we know, Yorkshire grit's not a finish, so we're going to have to put a finish over the top of this. Yorkshire grit is just... So there we go. It's clean enough for me. Now that is only with Yorkshire grit microfine, so that should bring us up to around about a 2000 grit. And as you can see, we've already got a sheen on there without a finish on it. So very nice finish already. So now we're going to put some Hampshire Sheen high gloss over the top of it, and then that should just give us our nice gloss look. High gloss wax.
I nearly had a paddy at B&Q yesterday. Why do they sell the blue paste pad?
I think that will do. So you can see a nice shine on there now. Obviously if we put more coats on we get a better finish on it. I'm quite happy with that.
Can you get some more paper towel?
No. So we're going to face this off. Not going to go major thin because it's quite a big chunk, big bowl, so we don't want it too thin. So I think as it's still a little bit green, well it's not, I think it's dry, but I think it might move a little bit. As you can see, clean.
Darren said that's coming up nice.
Thank you, Darren.
Woodworm Paul, quality piece of wood and quality work. Well done, Stephen. Happy birthday, mate.
Thank you very much. Very much appreciated. So
Leader said, is this what to do with scrap resins video?
Well, I was going to do a scrap resin video, but to be honest, I was meant to do this project last week, and I thought people would rather see a bowl than scrap resin, but I may do the resin one next week because I've got loads of resin blanks that I've where I've mixed up a little bit too much, and you get it left over, and I pour it in pots. And there's some quite cool colours there, actually, all the different layers. So I thought it'd look quite cool as a little pot. So I'm using Hampshire Sheen microcrystalline wax for the inside.
Wouldn't it be nice said, sorry, had to pop out for 10 minutes. Have you decided on the hashtag? Yep. Hashtag what no funnel.
Put it in again, Nick. Please.
Why would said to put it in.
Oh, is it?
Barry, returning by Barry said, what a lovely bowl. Thank
you, Barry. So So just going to buff this up. Again, I'm using the piece I've put it on with to start with.
That's nice, that is, I like that. Pretty.
Thank you very much. So there we go. I think. Look at the mess. Look at the mess.
Pete, you don't think that when you come into the house and make a mess.
I'm trying to find the camera one now. Look at the mess. Look at
Barry
it
said,
everywhere.
"That's a real
Even...
stunning looking bowl, expertly turned. Enjoy the rest of your birthday."
Thank you, Barry. So let's get this out.
Fred Gilliver's on. He said, "Hi, Steve and everyone else. Better late than never."
You're all right, Fred. It's not a problem, mate. Right.
Oh my God.
What?
The mess.
Yeah, I know. Right. So there we go.
Right, time for me to go.
So a nice little walnut, English walnut bowl. Hampshire sheen high gloss on the back, and Hampshire sheen microcrystalline on the inside, just to give it a sheen rather than a high gloss. Still got a little bit of a high spot in there, as you can see, but that can I can just sand that out. So let's go back on a camera that we can all see.
Robin Thorogood, that looks lovely.
Thank you.
Great work. Benjamin, excellent. So is that the pith running through the centre?
This bit here, I would imagine so, yeah, I would imagine so.
Robert Dolman said, "That's a really nice bowl out of a great piece of wood, Steve."
Yeah.
Nick Castle, stunningly lovely piece of wood and well turned. Malcolm Douglas, the mess is worth it for that bowl.
Yeah, so the thing is, it was a big blank anyway. So I mean, I'll bag some of these up and keep them to cast in resin, so it's not a problem. So